Bring it in. Sick. Sick. Fuck yeah, dude. I'll go in so you can see it, yeah.
Ain't nobody on that side, don't you do it?
Nope, you're good. Damn! He is awesome! Right here is good. Hell yeah, baby. What do you think? Say hello.
There's some mold.
It's moss. At least the window's shut.
There's a little scratch.
The room.
What size do you have?
I'm just kidding. I got 7 hours left.
Was that the 256?
Yeah. Wow, it's not even really that rusty. I think the Jetta's more rusty than this thing. Skid plate?
I've never seen that before.
Is that where the toe? Look at the
Usually
toe.
the spare tire goes right there. Maybe it's on the inside though. Usually it's mounted from the outside.
Well, then it would be like right here.
Right. I've never seen that before though.
Huh? Is this
That
door
has a
open?
3-piece bumper, bro. This is a 3-piece bumper. They're adjustable.
Seriously?
Yeah, they're adjustable for the wide track Cherokees
Oh, that makes sense.
and J trucks.
So it's
To
universal.
my knowledge, yes. I'm pretty sure.
Look at the Jeep badge up there.
Yeah.
Look at the like moss growing off of like
So freaking cool.
so funny.
Look, right here. This once had, I can't remember if it was vinyl wrapped or leather wrapped. Black roof.
Oh.
That's the remnants of it right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the flag. A printer. Why does my man need a printer? Look at it.
I cannot believe that.
He actually said pretzels. Y'all gotta be pretzels.
Okay, but I don't know if it's the little screen or if this camera really does that good of recording. I think it does pretty
It's
well.
the screen. It doesn't look good on the screen.
Oh, that's awkward. See, this is what I want to do.
Get some white marker.
Now, Stephanie, what do you think of the Grand Wagoneer? I mean, sorry, the Super Wagoneer.
You know, I've dreamed of days like this.
Really?
If you take a look around here, I want to go over
Please do show us.
the wooden panel mini stripes.
Mini stripes?
This was in addition to the Super Wagoneer Premium. Derek, do you know if they have blind spot sensors on this one? Does it connect to Apple CarPlay? Will I be able to listen to Taylor Swift?
No, but it does have level 3 of autonomous driving.
All the wheels are in
How
pristine condition.
autonomous? I really want to just like, oh, it's not.
I just want to power wash this. Low. Imagine
It's less rusty than the blue one.
Bro, that dude was so good.
Body and frame.
Okay,
So.
can you tip him for doing that well of a good? Do you have more money?
Yeah, dude.
Can you throw him like an extra $100? You too?
Sorry, trying to get my printer set up so I can send you guys a copy. If not, I'll email it to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's get you offloaded.
I'm Garrett, by the way.
Chuck,
Good to meet you.
you the one I was talking on the phone?
Yeah, yeah. This is Max, one you're talking to, and that's Stephanie.
Okay.
Stephanie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're amazing backing this big thing up.
Oh, thank you.
That was awesome.
How was your trip all the way over here?
I went super good. No traffic, everything was super good.
Awesome.
Oh. So is ours the only one that doesn't run?
Nope.
Of course.
Everything else fine. There you go. You working on this to find the car.
Yeah?
Work a lot of work.
And it's one of 1400.
That's what the guy said.
Yeah.
No, just concerned.
What's going on?
She's like, I saw a great big shadow from the kitchen. And I was like, oh Lord, there's a semi coming down the road.
We don't get semis
We don't get
coming around.
semis around here. Yeah, and you know, we're just making sure that Grandma Pat don't.
Bro, that's a good
she
neighbor.
doesn't. Yeah.
That's my family, bro.
It's your cousin.
That's
I'm
your
related
twice
to her.
removed
So
cousin.
am I, technically.
Twice removed. Technically.
I don't think you're recording, honey.
I am. The red light's
Oh,
beeping.
okay. Why does it turn black?
Because screensaver just
Okay.
automatically turns off so that it doesn't run the battery too hard. Nice.
Edit that out, yeah.
I'm finna power wash this. I'm finna power wash this.
I'm
yo.
finna nut, bro.
I'm fixing
I'm
to
fixing to nut.
Jared said, got your eyes on the Jeep yet?
Yeah.
No, bro.
I
This
said,
man a
wow,
little
that's a real
behind.
semi. I thought for sure it was going to be a hot shot.
I think it's ready to roll, so I'm gonna give it a push and see how it goes, okay?
Okay.
Mission is right there. Pull the ship.
Isn't that in park?
Oh boy, yeah, this one is too old. You got the shifter linkage just held on with a rod. You just need in the regular pickup truck. You can just pop it off and put it in neutral.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna have to play with that thing to get it in neutral. That's how we got it on there.
Play with that.
Once you get in there and play with it, while I pull. Yeah, he definitely didn't use that. He used that shift on the ground. Think it's rolling.
There it is.
Got it?
She's moving. I'm gonna need some help.
Okay. Stephanie. Just hold on both.
Man, I don't know what you did, but remember that. Yeah, it's something that's not written down. I just need a little bit of push. Once it start rolling, we're good, okay? Okay. All metal. Let it roll forward a little bit.
Did it lock up again?
Yeah, push it forward real quick. Make sure it ain't in gear. Because it shouldn't be that much of resistance.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's back in gear.
Hey guys.
Hey
Wait,
guys.
when I come in, do hey guys, welcome back. We have news.
Hey guys, welcome back. We have some news. We're expecting a new addition to the channel.